and welcome back to Kim's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a simple recipe for traditional English pancakes. Let's start with the ingredients. To make 12 pancakes, you will need 100 grams of plain flour, 2 large eggs, 300 milliliters of milk, and 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. First, put all the ingredients into a bowl, then whisk them into a smooth batter. Ideally, you should let the batter rest for 30 minutes. But you can start cooking straight away if you want. Next, put a medium non-stick pancake pan over a medium heat and carefully wipe it with some oiled kitchen paper. Use a ladle to pour the batter into the pan. Be careful not to put too much. The batter should just cover the bottom of the pan. Cook your pancakes for 1 minute on each side until they are golden. You can use a spatula to turn them over. Or if you're feeling brave, you can try tossing them. If you're not serving the pancakes right away, you can keep them warm in a low oven. Finally, you can serve your pancakes with lemon wedges and caster sugar. Or use your favourite filling. I prefer strawberry jam myself. If you've got any pancakes left over, you can layer them between baking paper once they're cold. Then wrap them in cling film, before storing them in the freezer for up to 2 months. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.